homies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I make the delicious split peas stew. This is a memory of a dish I have. Let me give you a quick story. I went to my friend's house and her mom gave me split pea stew, and I was like, what is that? I never had split pea stew before. Huh? Is this a poor thing? Anyways, it was delicious. And it's not a poor thing. It's probably a thing, I don't know. Anyway, for a very long time, I wanted to recreate this split pea stew. Now, today I'm going to be making that, and it's going to be my version because obviously I don't have her recipe. She didn't give it to me. I mean, I never asked. But anyways, this one is very delicious, and I hope you will try it. So, let's get cooking.
First, we're gonna start with our split peas. Use any brand you like. 2 cups of dry split peas is what it's gonna be, which is equal to a pound. Soak it for 4 to 6 hours. The longer I soak it, I find the better it is for me. Drain it, rinse it, cover it with water and boil for 10 minutes. Then you drain it again. Now you set that aside and you work on your aromatics. I've listed everything here, but I'll mention them as we go along. So into my pot, there's about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You add your onion and you let it sweat a bit. Then you add your garlic, 3 cloves of garlic, ginger, grated ginger, 1 hot pepper, 1 tomato, and you stir it up a bit, let it sweat a bit. I'm going to push that off to the side after about 2 minutes, and I'm going to add in my 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. I work that in a bit. And in the center, I made a well and I added 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. You add your cooked split peas, stir it up, 1 teaspoon of salt, a little bit of black pepper, a 1/4 cup of coconut milk, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of dry thyme. You know I love my thyme, right? And work it in. A dash more of salt. Another 1/4 cup of coconut milk. I thought the first set was going to be enough, but it wasn't. So I put that in, let it go for like a minute. Now I'm adding my scallions, my cilantro. And here you add as much of the green bits, as I like to call them, as you like. I added a little bit more chili pepper for spice, a 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of water, and now you're going to cover it and just let it bubble. Yes, baby, look at the way it's bubbling. You want to make sure that your peas is really soft and nice so you're not chewing on hard bits. But then you let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes and it should be good. It is so flavorful and so delicious. You will enjoy it. I served mine with brown rice and a piece of fried fish, and man, let me tell you, my belly was happy. Okay, so do try it and let me know in the comments how you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and if you haven't already, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.